Hello everyone. For the purposes of this video, we'll be going over a basic installation. So getting started, we'll hold down the Windows button and press R to bring up a run window. And I'm going to type in %appdata%, and we'll just press enter and jump to our roaming directory. And we'll go to Blender Foundation Blender. And for this one, we're going to be testing 2.91. So I'm just going to put an A at the end, which will make this not detectable by Blender, since Blender is looking for a 2.9 folder explicitly. So I'm bringing up the Blender launcher now, and we'll just wait for it to show up. Alright, and here we go. So we will go ahead and go to our stable builds, and we'll choose 2.90.1. Wait for it to open. Looks like it opened double. We'll just close one of those and give it just a moment to load. Actually, I realized that we probably renamed the wrong folder. We don't even want to mess with 2.90. We want to mess with 2.90.1, which means we want to actually put an A at the end of the 2.90 folder. And then whenever we open 2.90.1, it'll open up as if it never had anything configured with it before. And we'll just stretch this window to fit our boundary. I'm going to choose left, search, save new settings, and start. And from here, we're just going to go to add-ons or edit preferences, and then add-ons. And from here, we can choose install. And I'll just paste in the location, and we're just grabbing _6. And now that it's installed, we can enable it. And we see that we're using Blender 2.90.1, and I can just start boxcutter and begin cutting the shape. You can also tab into edit mode and also start boxcutter and begin cutting the shape. So with that, our installation of boxcutter is complete.